Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Well, Samvat 2077 was an amazing year for investors. We have seen Nifty since the fall during the COVID-19 in 2020 in the first quarter, March 2020. Since then, we haven't seen markets looking back, and it was the one-way momentum to the highs and highs. In summer 2077, if we compare the momentum, Nifty has rallied by nearly 46%. Mid caps around 84%. And if you remember, we did a video on saying that the 2021 belongs to the small cap. And if I just compare the December 2077 since the start, and we are coming to an end to the, if you look at the recent highs, it has rallied nearly 100%, which is doubled. So, and it is not an end to the outperformer of small cap. I believe still we have a huge room for small cap to outperform. Again, there could be a couple of months of hiccups over here and there, but yes, still mid caps and small caps have a huge room to outperform against the Nifty. And historically, we have seen that when this outperformance starts, when small cap and mid cap start outperforming against the Nifty, they don't end up in a 1 year. The rally continues between 18 months to around 20 to 23 months. And still we are around 9-10 months old out of and outperformance over a year. So I still believe, again, probably somewhat 2078, we might see mid cap and small cap outperformance continuing. Well, this video is all about my best two sectors one should look into 2078, somewhat 2078, or probably if you look at the years 2022. The first sector, I believe, will be the outperformer, or they can witness a strong rally, is infra. Now, if we look at the chart over here, we have seen realty taking a strong momentum from after the breakout. But if you look at the infra over here now, it has broken out of around 148 months, which is more than 12 years of consolidation. We saw the momentum or range bound underperformance against the other sectors since the 2008 fall. This sector has been underperforming against the major indices, or even if you look at the Nifty 500. After breaking out of nearly 12 years of consolidation, we have seen a huge momentum coming into the recent last 3-4 months. And I believe this is just the start of the rally into the infra space. Again, there could be a slight dip into the momentum, and I believe that could be an opportunity to enter for the investment avenues. If you remember, we have covered realty sector as well, where we have seen such kind of breakouts of around 9-10 years of breakout into the realty space. You can go into our archives of videos and find my video on realty. Similarly, I think infra is very, very well positioned for the uptick momentum. And if I just look at the whole range, generally when the range break out for a longer term period, it targets around 261% of that whole range. And if you look at the CMP, somewhere around 5,000, 5,100, and if I just calculate the whole range and put around 261.8% of Fibonacci of that range, we are expecting the target of probably 7,300, 7,400 to the infra space. So that could be the one sector you should definitely look for buying opportunities when the markets dip. Second, my best sector is, I would continue with the bullish momentum on power sector. Well, I have done the video on power sector as well, but as we are entering into somewhat 2078, I think with infra, power is also one sector where the similar structure is playing out. Now, if you look at the indexes broke out of around 9 years of consolidation. 9 years is not a small number. 9 years of consolidation means a huge accumulation has happened. People have not got the percentage return where the other sector has gone. And now I think that it is time that the power will also take a lead. Again, if you look at the last 2-3 months, we have seen Tata Power, IEX been taking a lead, and probably if you look at the power index as well, they have seen a huge rally post breakout, but this is just, I think, a dip could be a possible where you can get an opportunity to go long. But yes, this is my second best sector. I think the probability is around trading around 3300, might dip around 3150, or 3000 being a psychological level. Overall, I think in next 1 year, I'm expecting this index to rally by around 25 to 30%, which could be around 4200 to 4300 target onto the power index. So again, my two bet, or I would say my two best sector to invest into Samvat 2078 is infra and power. Let me know into the comment section which sector you think could be an outperformer, or you think should be an investment for next 1 year or Samvat 2078, or if you look at the financial 2022. Do not forget to comment your best sector, and I hope this two sector will be an outperformer in the next 1 year and might give you an handsome return. Again, wishing you all the happy Diwali to you and your family, and may this year bring more wealth as compared to Samvat 2077. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you.
Our new research uncovers some shocking truths behind today's hottest investment opportunity: electric vehicles. Don't invest your money in EV stocks before seeing our research. Click here to sign up for our special event to know it all for free.